Hey everybody, welcome to beautiful Corsicana, Texas. My name is Lyle and I'm the head of construction for Riot Platforms.
My name is Cody and I'm the operations manager for the Corsicana facility.
Although this site won't go live until next year, we have our operations staff here learning the ins and outs of what we're building and what they're going to be responsible for maintaining. We're going to take you around the site today and show you exactly what we've been up to since groundbreaking in October of last year. So taking a 275-acre raw piece of land from that first golden shovel in the ground to construction ready requires tons of effort. Over 2 million tons of dirt have been moved so far. That's over 1.5 million cubic yards. We had to cut the site elevation down over 30 feet in some areas just to get the pad ready to start construction. So cutting away all this earth required us to build over 30,000 linear feet of retention wall, allowing us to prevent erosion on the site and capture our stormwater inside of our 120 million gallon retention pond. That water is going to be repurposed inside of our cooling infrastructure. While we were flattening the site and taking care of our stormwater, our teams were procuring the necessary items to build a world-class Bitcoin mining facility. If you look behind me, you'll see structural components for the buildings that'll go up here, as well as miles and miles of PVC and cabling. So much so that it could stretch from here in Corsicana to our Rockdale site and back. Now, some of the components are more critical than others, some having lead times of up to 3 years. If you look behind me, you'll see 2 100 megawatt transformers. This equipment will send the electricity into our production buildings. The arrival of this critical infrastructure signifies a transition in our project from the engineering, procurement, and design phase to our construction phase, where our teams will be tasked with assembling these components into a system that's never been built before. Building a site like this requires us to keep our operations in mind. With that, I'll turn it over to Cody to talk a little bit more about exactly what we're building here.
Let's go take a look. From October 2022 to right now, our team's grown to over 40 employees. The 9,000 square feet of offices behind me include HR managers, HSE managers, operations managers, safety managers, security managers, and many more to come. As we continue to grow here in Navarre County, we're going to foster the culture of Riot. If you've driven down 709, you've seen that we finished our 3,500 linear feet of privacy fence. This fence was designed to withstand the Navarre County winds. It provides us both security and safety on the inside, as well as privacy for our neighbors on the outside. Operating a Bitcoin mine facility of this scale requires much more than just the production mining buildings themselves. It's required us to build over 40,000 square feet of support structures. These structures include inventory buildings, electrical maintenance rooms, miner maintenance offices, and employee resource centers. These resource centers include locker rooms, cafeterias, offices, and just places for the employees to kick back and relax. As we wrap up construction on our support facilities, our teams are already underway on building our Bitcoin mine structures. As you see behind me, we've already got the flex base laid. Next is going to be the trenching for the underground infrastructure. Then we're going to pour concrete, then we're going to put up some buildings.
Thank you, Cody, and everyone on the Corsicana team, and thank you for joining us for this Corsicana project update. Stay tuned for more in the future.